Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world.
Yes, sir.
And English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topic. Today I am going to start unit number 24. In this unit I am going to teach you how to use first, second and third forms of regular and irregular verbs in our day-to-day life. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 24. Regular and irregular verbs. Section A. Regular verbs. The past simple and past participle of regular verbs is ed. Clean, cleaned. Live, lived. Paint, painted. Study, studied. Past simple. For example, I cleaned my room yesterday. Chris studied engineering at university. Past participle. Have, has, plus past participle. This structure is used in present perfect tense. I have cleaned my room. Tina has lived in London for 10 years. B. It means is, are, were, has been, etc. plus past participle. This structure is used in passive voice. For example, these rooms are cleaned every day. My car has been repaired. Now, section B. Irregular verb. The past simple and past participle of irregular verbs do not end in ed. For example, make, made, made. Break, broke, broken. Cut, cut, cut. Sometimes the past simple and past participle are the same. For example, make, made, made. Find, found, found. Buy, bought, bought. Cut, cut, cut. Some more examples. I made a cake yesterday. I have made some coffee. Butter is made from milk. Sometimes the past simple and past participle are different. For example, break, broke, broken. Know, knew, known. Begin, began, begun. Go, went, gone. Some more examples. Somebody broke this window last night. Somebody has broken this window. This window was broken last night. Now it's time for exercises. 24.1. Write the past simple, past participle of these verbs. The past simple and past participle are the same for all the verbs in these exercises. Number 1. Make, made, made. Number 2. Cut, cut, cut. Number 3. Get, got, got. Number 4. Bring, brought, brought. Number 5. Pay, paid, paid. Number 6. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Number 7. Buy, bought, bought. Number 8. Sit, sat, sat. Number 9. Leave, left, left. Number 10. Happen, happened, happened. Number 11. Hear, heard, heard. Number 12. Put, put, put. Number 13. Catch, caught, caught. Number 14. Watch, watched, watched. Number 15. Understand, understood, understood. 24.2. Write the past simple and past participle of these verbs. Number 1. Break, broke, broken. Number 2. Begin, began, begun. Number 3. Eat, ate, eaten. Number 4. Drink, drank, drunk. Number 5. Drive, drove, driven. Number 6. Speak, spoke, spoken. Number 7. Write, wrote, written. Number 8. Come, came, come. Number 9. Know, knew, known. Number 10. Take, took, taken. Number 11. Go, went, gone. Number 12. Give, gave, given. Number 13. Throw, threw, thrown. Number 14. Forget, forgot, forgotten. 24.3. Put the verb in the right form. Number 1. I washed my hands because they were dirty. Number 2. Somebody has broken this window. Number 3. I feel good. I slept very well last night. Number 4. We saw a really good film yesterday. Number 5. It rained a lot while we were on holiday. Number 6. I have lost my bag. Have you seen it? Number 7. Rosa's bicycle was stolen last week. Number 8. I went to bed early because I was tired. Number 9. Have you finished your work yet? Number 10. The shopping center was built about 20 years ago. Number 11. Anna learned to drive when she was 18. Number 12. I have never ridden a horse. Number 13. Jessica is a good friend of mine. I have known her for a long time. Number 14. Yesterday I fell and hurt my leg. Number 15. My brother ran in the London Marathon last year. Have you ever run in a marathon? Now, exercise number 24.4. Complete these sentences. Choose from the box and put the verb into the correct form. Cost, drive, fly, make, meet, sell, speak, swim, tell, think, wake up, win. Number 1. I have made some coffee. Would you like some? Number 2. Have you told John about your new job? Number 3. We played basketball on Sunday. We didn't play very well, but we won the game. Number 4. I know Gary, but I have never met his wife. Number 5. We were woken up by loud music in the middle of the night. Number 6. Stephanie jumped into the river and swam to the other side. Number 7. Did you like the film? Yes, I thought it was very good. Number 8. Many different languages are spoken in the Philippines. Number 9. Our holiday cost a lot of money because we stayed in expensive hotel. Number 10. Have you ever driven a very fast car? Number 11. All the tickets for the concert were sold very quickly. Number 12. A bird flew in through the open window while we were having our dinner. This is the end of unit number 24. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 25. Till then, bye bye.